Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to clear the no paper fed error on your Brother MFCJ805DW. This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. The no paper error is usually caused by missing or incorrectly loaded paper in the paper tray of your Brother machine, or incorrect settings in the printer. This video will walk you through correcting each of those issues and clearing the error. We will begin by clearing all print jobs in machine memory. Press Stop Exit on the control panel until Cancel Jobs appears on the display. Then delete all pending jobs. Pull the paper tray completely out of the machine. Remove the paper from the paper tray and verify that the tray guides are set to the correct paper size. Check for paper damage or irregularities that could prevent it from feeding properly. Also verify the weight and thickness of the paper. Follow the link on the screen for more information on paper specifications. Now, unplug the power cord from the wall. Take a lint-free cloth and clean any dust from the base pad. If your model features a photo tray, clean that base pad as well. Next, clean the paper feed rollers on the underside of the machine. Locate the green levers on either side of the paper cavity and slide them towards the front of the machine. This will release the plastic flap at the top of the cavity. Raise the flap up and out of the way and clean the back side of the rollers as well. Now plug the power cord back in and turn the machine back on. If your model features a photo paper tray, you'll need to ensure that it has been disengaged. To disengage, pull the tray lever and slide the tray forward until it locks into place. Next, fan the paper and reload it into the paper tray. Ensure that the paper is snug against the paper length guide. Paper that is pushed too far back in the paper tray can also cause jamming. Also verify that the paper is not loaded above the maximum fill line. Now replace the paper tray. Next, we will print a quality check sheet. On the control panel, press the Settings key. Press the down arrow repeatedly until the General Setup option is displayed. Then press OK. Next, select the Maintenance option and press OK. Now select the Improve Print Quality option and again press OK. Select Improve Print Quality for white lines and then press OK. When prompted, press the right arrow. If the check sheet prints, then the error is resolved. Otherwise, you'll need to perform a partial reset of your Brother machine. Press the pound key until 0 appears at the top left of the screen. Next, press 9, followed by 1. The top of the screen should now read Select 9-1 ? On the control panel, press black Start. Once your machine finishes the reset, it will return to the date-time display. Now print another quality check sheet. If the document prints, the issue is resolved. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.